Hello guys, welcome back to new tutorial. Today, in this tutorial we gon' learn how to make this text name within 5 layers. So without wasting time, let's get started. Before starting, please make sure to subscribe my channel and share this video with everyone. So now take a new layer and name it BG. Fill it with black color. Make new layer and name it as name1. And then type a name. Make it big so it's visible. After that, double-click on text and fill it with yellow color. Then, make a new layer and make it clipping mask, then select brush tool and select black color. Then increase brush size, just fill bottom side. Select white color and fill upper side. Then, make blending mode to overlay. Now, duplicate the layer and bring it to downwards. Change title as name to. Then hide upper text layer and double-click on text, then fill it with dark orange. Then unhide layers and press Shift, drag text below. And make its size smaller and adjust it properly. Then make a rasterize layer, then take a polygon tool. And start filling areas where to be filled, make sure color must be same. I am fast forwarding this, but you guys make this perfectly, take time and do. Now we will give shadows and light to it before applying You must know form where the light is coming. On that base you should give shadows to it, so let's give it. Make a new layer and convert it into clipping mask. Select polygon tool and select the edge to apply the shadows. After selecting, take a brush tool and select color as more dark and fill it. I am fast forwarding this, you guys do it perfectly. After completing, make a new layer and convert it into clipping mask, then select the brush tool and color as white. And just give it like this. Then make it overlay and opacity to 30 to 35%. Now make a new layer above this layer and make as clipping mask, then select brush tool with white color and hardness up to 75 to 80% and just make like this. And just make like this. Then make blending mode to overlay, opacity to 30 to 35. Also make blur filter to it, go to the filter and select the blur and Gaussian blur. Set it up to 15, hit OK. Now it's done, you can group them. make solid background of sky blue. So I hope you guys like this tutorial and make sure to subscribe my channel and follow me on social media. I have given link in description. Also check out my other tutorials also. So let's meet in next tutorial. Till then, peace out.